Top 5 Best Lawnmower for Bermuda Grass. Husqvarna Automower 115H Robotic Lawnmower in just $1,065. Experience the world leader in robotic mowing with the Husqvarna Automower 115H Robotic Lawnmower. This smart mower has the ability to be controlled through your smartphone and is easy to install with the included setup kit. Have peace of mind knowing that the 115H comes with theft protection and is suitable for all types of lawns and weather, with a cut width of 8.7 inches and an area capacity of 720 square feet per hour. Make your lawn look perfect at all times with this amazing robotic mower for only $1,065. American Lawn Mower Company 1725-16 GC 16-inch 7-blade reel mower with grass catcher, specialty grass mower, green in just $149.99. The American Lawn Mower Company 1725-16 GC 16-inch 7-blade reel mower with grass catcher is a perfect specialty grass mower for lawn enthusiasts. It is equipped with a 7-blade reel with a width of 16 inches and a 10-inch wheel for maximum maneuverability. This manual lawn mower has an adjustable cutting height from 0.5 to 2.5 inches, and its blades are made of heat-treated alloy steel that stays sharp for a long time. Additionally, it comes with a T-style handle with a comfortable cushioned grip for added comfort. This mower is ideal for grass types similar to Bermuda, Tif, bentgrass, and zoysia. Sunjoe FBA MJ502M 20-inch manual reel mower with 8.5-gallon grass catcher, 9-position height adjustment, foam grip, compact design, green in just $119.99. Create a beautiful, manicured lawn with the Sunjoe FBA MJ502M 20-inch manual reel mower. Boasting a 9-position height adjustment, you can customize the mowing height to your preference up to 2.44 inches. Not to mention, this compact and lightweight mower weighs in at under 30 pounds for easy maneuverability. Plus, its 5 strong steel blades for a precise cut, a foam grip for comfortable handling, and an 8.5-gallon grass catcher to collect clippings. Get the perfect lawn with the Sunjoe FBA MJ502M at a great price of $119.99. Ego Power Plus LM2102 SPA 21-inch 56-volt lithium-ion self-propelled cordless lawn mower 2.4.0 Ah battery and rapid charger included. Black in just $699. Introducing the Ego Power Plus LM2102 SPA 21-inch 56-volt lithium-ion self-propelled cordless lawn mower. This powerful, durable mower comes with a 5-year tool warranty and 2 4.0 Ah battery and rapid charger. It offers a range of smart features such as up to 65 minutes of runtime on a single charge, variable speed self-propel of 1.3 miles per hour to 3.1 miles per hour, 6 bright LED headlights, 36 position cutting height adjustments, and a 43-in-1 function. It also features weather-resistant construction, folds for compact storage, easy access 2-bushel grass collection bag, and the ability to cut all grass types. Get the Ego Power Plus LM2102 SPA today for just $699. Earthwise 1715-16 EU 16-inch 7-blade push reel lawn mower, gray in just $109.98. This Earthwise 1715-16 EU 16-inch 7-blade push reel lawn mower is the perfect choice for achieving a clean, even cut every time. With a hand push reel mower and 16 inches cutting width, 7-blade ball bearing reel and 10 inches composite wheels, it's durable and convenient. It's also suitable for cutting bent grass, Bermuda, zoysia, centipede, street. Augustine, and Seashore Paspalum. Its alloy steel 7-blade mower stays sharp longer, while its adjustable cutting height of 0.5 inches -2.5 provides clean and even cuts. Finally, its planet-friendly power source makes this an ideal alternative to gasoline push lawn mowers, all for an affordable price of $109.98.